Hey everybody, I'm Mama Baird and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing IS Smart Bird Feeder. I was blown away by this, just being able to see all the local Montana birds, and on top of that, it helps you identify what they are and gives you information on each one. So we'll see a little bit of that later on in the video, but here are some clips of what it captured, and I gotta tell you guys, with putting the mountains in the background and being able to see the different birds and the different fights, you'll see that some of them are fighting about it. I am just completely so surprised at this. I've never had anything like it, and let's get into it and let's see just how easy this is to install, because I think you will be quite surprised.
I don't know. Why don't we put it over here on the club?
Hi, baby.
Yeah, let's do this, baby. Put it right here.
Yeah?
What do you think?
Okay.
View the mountains?
Yeah.
Okay, drill. The step ladder.
Oh no.
Oh no, indeed. Where did the plastic piece go?
Oh baby.
Oh, it's right here. It hit my beard.
Is that it down there?
It's just a hole.
Oh, dang it. Oh baby. What flavor is that snow? Poison.
Maybe you can rotate it.
Oh, I see.
Okay, there we go. One bird feeder.
All right, husband's got it up here. Let's get it filled up. We just come back here, pull up.
But guys,
Yeah.
how's the bird supposed to eat it if there's plastic covering the food?
It comes out right here in the bottom. You see? There's food right here in the bottom.
And there's a hole down there that it fills up the tray as they eat it.
All right, there we go, guys. Make sure it's snapped all the way. There you go.
All right, there.
Success.
And it's
Can I
on.
see it?
Make sure it was aiming right.
Yep, I think it's good.
Okay. All right.
Down just a hair.
All right.
All right.
One of the things that really caught my eye about this bird feeder is that it connects to your phone, so you can watch it all on your phone. And then, like I said, it identifies the birds. So this was a black-capped chickadee, and it tells you the location of where it usually is. It has all of the information on the bird itself, where it's local to, what kind of foods and stuff it likes. I think this is absolutely amazing that you can find out about your local wildlife, well, birds. It has over 1,000 different birds that it can identify, so chances are you will find out what your favorite bird is soon enough. It has a motion sensor as well, so it can detect when there is a bird there, and that's when you're able to look at your phone and start recording. It has an SD card that saves the footage in there, so I hope you guys are going to be okay with seeing lots of extra birds footage in my upcoming videos. because I am blown away by this, and I think you will be too. I hope you check them out. Use the link below. They're running a $50 coupon right now on Amazon, so go check it out while you can. This is the best deal that they have. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time on Mama Baird's.